10 Best Exercises for Weight Loss at Home. Exercising regularly not only helps you lose weight or look fit, but also offers long-term health benefits. If you are a beginner or wish to engage in multiple exercise routines for weight loss, this video is for you. 1. Zumba. Zumba is a type of interval training exercise. Zumba lessons alternate between high and low-intensity dancing steps meant to increase the heart rate and cardiac endurance. Zumba is for you if you simply enjoy moving your body to music. 2. HIIT. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is one of the most effective weight loss exercises. As a result, practicing approximately 20 minutes of regular HIIT can help you burn more calories. 3. Going for a walk. Walking is regarded as one of the most effective fat-burning workouts. Walking is an excellent way for beginners to begin their journey towards good physical fitness. 4. Lifting weights. Weight training is a good option for people looking for weight loss exercises. According to Harvard Health, a person weighing 70 kilograms can burn around 112 calories by doing 30 minutes of weight exercise. 5. Doing yoga. Both physical exercise and meditation are included in this type of workout. After a hard day, yoga not only helps you lose weight but also cultivates mindfulness. 6. Going for a run. Another helpful weight loss exercise is jogging. Regular jogging or running can help people shed a considerable amount of weight. Begin by jogging or running for 20 to 30 minutes, and you will gradually see the results. 7. Going for a swim. Another great exercise for losing weight is swimming. A person weighing 70 kgs may swim for 30 minutes and burn about 233 calories, according to Harvard Health. 8. Jumping rope. Even while jumping rope isn't generally thought of as a weight loss activity, it is undoubtedly one of the best. For instance, a person weighing 72 kilograms can burn up to 318 calories by jumping rope for 30 minutes. 9. Pilates workouts. Pilates is one of the simplest indoor weight loss activities for beginners. A 30-minute beginner's Pilates class can burn 138 calories for a person weighing 64 kilograms. 10. Cycling. Cycling is the ideal workout for weight loss because it is low impact and customizable. Cycling at a high intensity helps to reduce fat, enhance weight loss, and boost metabolism,